Hello dear students, today we are going to continue the lesson number 5, Victory in Friendship, written by Liana Pan. Though I have already discussed with you, yet I am going to make a video so that those of you who have not attended today's class will at least understand by seeing it. We are going to see a friendship which is very real, very firm, very strong, which is dedicated. This kind of friendship we are going to talk about. Otherwise, having fake relationship, having give and take relationship is not going to help us in defeating our enemies. Only when we are united, when we have a close connection, when we have a strong bond with each other, only then we will be able to face any kind of problems that come on our way. It is not that we are going to have an easy life. We will have problems, difficulties in our life, but then we will be able to tackle them. We will be able to face them bravely only when we have a what kind of friendship? Only when we have a true relationship, only when we have a true friendship. So let us see what the poetess Linus wants to tell us from this poem. Read this poem to know how love and friendship can be more powerful than the ocean. I sat by the ocean and observed giant waves recede and shore. With each surge of water, stray sand was snatched from the shore. The beach was scattered like beaches are. With lone pebbles, shells, and more, each fought hard against the waves, but yielded at length to the shore, to the roar. And then I saw a little crab fastened to a wobbling rock. There the waves came crashing up and down, but could not shake them off. The love that bound the rock and the crab challenged the ocean's might. If we two hold our friendships close, victory will grace our fights. Liana Pan. So this is the point that we are going to read today. So I'll be explaining each and every stanzas, and then if you have any kind of doubts, you may clarify afterwards. Before you ask questions, at least write it down, so you are ready to ask me some questions. I sat by the ocean and observed the giant waves recede and shore. So who is observing all these things? Here the poetess herself, sitting where? Sitting by the ocean and observed. Observed means seeing the things, looking fixedly at some things or some happenings. Giant waves recede and soar. So what is she observing? She is observing the giant waves recede in the sense, here it is written there, move away. The giant waves are moving away, and then you see, then shore means rise high. So she sees the giant waves coming, or going up and down, going towards the shore, and then we can see, then after that, in the third line, she says, with each surge of water. Each surge of water means waves crashing on the beach. The waves that is going on the beach, what does it do? The waves stray sand and snatched from the shore. So what does it doing? The wave is just loosening the sand, loosening in the sense, making loose that soil in the sense, whatever is there on the shore, it makes it loose so that it can takes away by force. So that is what is happening in the first stanza. So poet is observing all these things, okay, the giant, that mighty, what to say, a giant waves is doing on the shore. The beach was scattered like beaches are. So here we see like or the other or similar other way the what to say the beaches. Here also the same thing is being happening to that particular beach. With lone pebbles, shells and more, each fought hard against the waves, but yielded at length to the roar. So here we see that each of them, each means here pebbles and the shells and many more, okay, which the poetess has not mentioned, are fighting, are trying to fight against the waves, the mighty waves. But then what is happening? They are giving up just because of what? Just because they are alone. The mighty waves, okay, is able to shake them just because they are not united. They don't have what to say a close relationship. They do not have the firm relationship or friendship. They don't have the love with each other. That's because the others, that means the enemy. Who is their enemy? Here the waves. So the enemy is able to like what to say capture them under his control. And then I saw a little crab fastened to a wobbling rock. And little later, she saw, that means she observed a little crab fashioned, okay, here fastened to a wobbling rock. So here we see, okay, fastened to a wobbling rock. That means, okay, we can see the wobbling rock means unsteady, that which do not move. So here what is happening here? It is connected or have some kind of bond. The waves came crashing up and down but could not shake them off. The waves came, okay, the waves came crushing. Crushing means to what to say? Like to break violently and noisily. It came like a giant, but then, okay, nothing happened. The waves could not shake them at all, just because they have a close relationship, as we have already seen, okay, the love that bound, okay, just because of the love that they have with each other, just because of that, the waves, okay, could not shake them. The love that bound the rock and the crab challenged the ocean's might. If we two hold our friendships close, victory will grace our fights. So in the similar manner, okay, if we have this kind of relationship with with our friends, surely we will be able to face any kind of problems, anything, whatever it is, okay, be it our maybe exams, be it whatever it is, okay, nothing can destroy or nothing can disturb, nothing can, okay, alter us, nothing can change us. So let us be united, let us have a close, okay, or firm relationship, let us have, okay, the love and friendship which is much more powerful than the ocean. Hope I have made it okay, clear to all of you. And before we end up, I just want to tell you certain things from here. You have to write the poem and learn at least 12 lines. Secondly, okay, write the word meanings and learn them. And third, okay, we have a question number A, write in the copy. So question number A, just you have to write true and false only. Thank you so much.